Ready to break free from fear and reach your full potential? Fear is a natural emotion we all experience, but it doesn't have to control you. Join us on a journey to understand, challenge, and overcome your fears. Transform fear into fuel for success and unlock a life of confidence and freedom. Learn to identify the root of your fears, rewire your thoughts, and develop the courage to pursue your dreams. It's not about being fearless, it's about being courageous. Acknowledge your fears, understand their origins, and choose to move forward despite them. Unleash your inner power and create a life you never thought possible. Let's begin this transformative journey together. Let's start by shining a light on fear itself. What is fear really? Fear is an emotion triggered by a perceived threat. It's your brain's way of trying to protect you from harm. But here's the thing, not all threats are created equal. Sometimes fear is a helpful signal, like when it stops you from crossing the street without looking. But often fear is based on irrational thoughts and beliefs that hold you back from living your best life. Think about it. What are you afraid of? Is it the fear of failure, the fear of rejection, the fear of the unknown? These fears can manifest in countless ways, from avoiding social situations to procrastinating on important projects to staying stuck in unfulfilling jobs or relationships. Fear can keep you small and safe, but it also prevents you from experiencing the fullness of life. It's like a cage that you've built around yourself, limiting your potential and robbing you of joy. But here's the good news. You hold the key to that cage. You have the power to break free from fear's grip. The first step is to identify and understand your specific fears. What triggers your fear response? What thoughts and beliefs fuel your fears? Take some time to reflect on these questions. Write down your fears, big and small. Don't judge yourself. Simply observe. Remember, awareness is the first step towards change. Once you've identified your fears, it's time to dig a little deeper. Where did these fears come from? Were they instilled in you during childhood? Are they rooted in past experiences? Understanding the origins of your fears can help you to challenge their validity and begin to dismantle their power over you. Now that we've shed light on your fears, it's time to prepare for courage. Courage isn't the absence of fear, it's the willingness to act despite it. And developing courage requires a shift in mindset. First and foremost, cultivate self-awareness. Pay attention to your thoughts, feelings, and physical sensations when you experience fear. What are you telling yourself? How does your body react? By becoming more aware of your internal landscape, you can start to identify the patterns and triggers that perpetuate your fears. Emotional intelligence is also crucial. This involves understanding and managing your emotions effectively. Learn to regulate your fear response instead of letting it control you. Practice techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or mindfulness to calm your nervous system and gain a sense of inner peace. Next, embrace a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Instead of viewing challenges as threats, see them as opportunities for learning and growth. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success, not a reason to give up. Challenge your limiting beliefs. Are your fears based on facts or are they simply assumptions? Often our fears stem from negative self-talk and irrational beliefs that we've internalized over time. Question these beliefs, replace them with positive affirmations that empower you and support your growth. Remember, your thoughts have immense power. Choose thoughts that serve you, not sabotage you. Now that you're cultivating self-awareness, emotional intelligence, and a growth mindset, it's time to take action. It's time to break down those fear barriers that have been holding you back. Remember, you don't have to conquer your fears overnight. In fact, trying to do too much too soon can be overwhelming and counterproductive. Instead, focus on taking small, incremental steps outside of your comfort zone. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You wouldn't expect to reach the summit in one giant leap. You break down the climb into manageable stages, celebrating each milestone along the way. What's one small step you can take today to move towards your goals? Maybe it's making a phone call you've been dreading, signing up for that class you've been eyeing, or simply sharing your ideas with someone you trust. Create a plan. Break down your larger goals into smaller, actionable steps. This will make your goals feel less daunting and more achievable. And it will give you a roadmap to follow, even when fear tries to cloud your vision. As you take action, pay attention to the positive results. Each step forward, no matter how small, is a victory worth celebrating. These small wins will boost your confidence and fuel your courage to keep going. Remember, progress over perfection. Don't get bogged down by the need to do everything flawlessly. Embrace the learning process and give yourself permission to make mistakes along the way. Our thoughts have a powerful impact on our emotions and behaviors. When we allow fear-based thoughts to dominate our minds, we create a self-fulfilling prophecy of being negative and inaction. But here's the good news. We have the power to choose our thoughts. We can challenge those negative, fear-based thoughts and replace them with more empowering and positive ones. This is where reframing comes in. Reframing is the process of shifting your perspective, of looking at a situation from a different angle. Instead of viewing fear as an obstacle, try to see it as an opportunity for growth. When you notice those negative thoughts creeping in, hit the pause button. Don't believe everything you think. Challenge those thoughts. Are they really true? What's the evidence to support them? Often you'll find that your fears are based on irrational thoughts and assumptions, not on facts. Once you've challenged those negative thoughts, replace them with positive affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that can help you to challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. When you repeat affirmations regularly, you start to rewire your brain, creating new neural pathways that support a more positive and empowered mindset. Visualization is another powerful tool for reframing fearful thoughts. Close your eyes and imagine yourself successfully navigating the situation that's causing you fear. See yourself feeling confident, capable, and in control. Visualize the positive outcome you desire. By repeatedly visualizing success, you'll not only reduce your fear, but also program your subconscious mind for success, making it more likely that you'll achieve your goals. Overcoming fear and living a courageous life is an ongoing journey, not a destination. There will be setbacks along the way. You may stumble, you may fall, but it's crucial to remember that setbacks are not failures. They're opportunities for learning and growth. Resilience is key. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity, to keep going even when things get tough. It's the inner strength that allows you to navigate life's challenges with grace and determination. So, when you encounter setbacks, don't beat yourself up. Instead, view them as valuable learning experiences. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this situation? How can I grow from this experience? Remember, every successful person has faced their share of challenges and setbacks. It's how they respond to those setbacks that sets them apart. Celebrate your successes, big and small. Acknowledge how far you've come. Give yourself credit for the courage you've shown and the obstacles you've overcome. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Connect with people who uplift and inspire you. Share your fears and your triumphs with those you trust. Remember, You don't have to go through this journey alone. Seek out mentors, coaches, or therapists who can provide guidance and support along the way. Keep learning, keep growing, and never stop pushing yourself beyond your comfort zone. The more you face your fears, the more courageous you become. And as you step into your courage, you'll unlock a life of limitless possibilities. Congratulations on taking this incredible step towards a more courageous and fulfilling life. Remember, facing your fears is a journey, not a destination. Embrace each step with courage and watch as your life transforms. You have the power within you to break free from fear's grip and create a life you never thought possible. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and never give up on your dreams. The world needs your unique gifts and talents, and those gifts can only shine brightly when you have the courage to share them. For more resources, check out our fear assessment quiz, courage building exercises, and inspirational stories of overcoming fear. You've got this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, leave us a comment below about your fears and how you overcame them.